Hey guys, this is Bros Infotech and this is a demo video of how to use the Vibring app. When you install the Vibring app on your device, this particular logo you will see on your screen. When you run this app, there will be home screen on the device and it contains 5 buttons. That is add new location, view location, settings, about and demo video. When you tap on the add new location button, it says that there is no internet connection. Please connect to active data connection. So you need an active internet connection to use this app. So I'll just activate my data, and on the next screen it says your GPS is not enabled. Go to settings menu, and to use this app you need a GPS as well. So go to settings, enable your GPS, and here we go. So on the screen you will see a search bar on the screen, and on the right side there is a search button, and this is the current location button. Suppose if you want to search any location, say Delhi. The red marker on the screen shows the location of the Delhi. So if you want to add this location and you want your mode of the device changes when your device is in Delhi, so you simply have to tap the marker. There will be add a tab location button. Just tap the button. You select mode of the device, says sound, and click OK. Your location is stored. So now coming to this button, when you tap on this current location button, it will automatically take you to the current location where your device is. So if you want to add this location, you just need to simply long tap the screen, add tab location button, enter the name of the location, say home, and select the mode of device, say mute. Okay, your location is stored. Coming back to the home screen, the second button is view locations, where you can view the location stored, that is New Delhi, with the corresponding latitude, longitude, and the mode as well. Coming back to the home screen, the third button is settings. To use this app, you need to enable this service so that it can run in background. So you don't need to come on the app every now and then to use it. So you just need to enable this app, and it will run in the background. See, Vibring running. So the next is audible notification. This particular option is for that if you set the mode on the ring mode and you want an audible notification for that. So this option is for that. You just need to simply check this. And there is a like us on Facebook button. You can like our page on the Facebook. There is Bros Infotech. By clicking this button, you can directly go to the Facebook. Coming back to home screen, the next button is about button, where it gives a brief description of the app, that is how to use the app and what is the app about. So here's the brief description. Coming back, the last button is demo video, by tapping on which you can see this particular demo video. By tapping on this button, you will directly go to the YouTube, and you can view the video as much time as you will. So that is for Vibring. Any queries and any issues you face, please give us feedback on YouTube, or on the you can post on our Facebook page, or you can simply give the reviews on the Google Play Store. So thank you very much for watching. Keep supporting us.